What if I told you that one of the best views in Spain is less than 30 minutes from your cruise ship, and you don't need to book a shore excursion to get there? Welcome back to the Empty Armchair. Today we're visiting one of Alicante's most iconic landmarks, Santa Bárbara Castle. If you're arriving on a cruise ship, getting to the castle is surprisingly easy. We'll show you exactly how to get from the ship to the castle, including the cruise shuttle train, walking route, elevator access, costs, and whether it's worth your time. If you're planning a Mediterranean cruise with a stop in Alicante, you'll want to save this video for later. Let's get started. We've just stepped off the ship here in Alicante. Today's goal is simple. Go from the ship to the shuttle to the castle for amazing views. Let's see how easy it really is. Alicante's cruise terminal is located just a little bit outside of the historic city center, although it is walkable. But why walk when you can take this cute shuttle train closer to town? First off, you need to purchase your shuttle train tickets prior to boarding. For our cruise, the cost was €5 for a round-trip ticket. You can purchase it where you catch the shuttle train. It's located just steps from where you disembark your cruise ship. The shuttle train ride takes only 5 minutes from the cruise terminal to the drop-off point near the waterfront and city center. From the little roundabout drop-off point, it's just a short walk to the city center. As soon as you arrive, you'll notice Alicante feels very walkable. Palm trees line the waterfront, cafes fill the streets, and you can already see Santa Bárbara Castle towering above the city. Honestly, the castle is hard to miss. From the shuttle stop, we're heading toward Postiguet Beach and the castle elevator entrance. The walk is flat and scenic. You have 2 choices for your walk to the elevator entrance. You can walk alongside either side of the street to the entrance, or you can walk alongside the beach. Today we chose to walk to the castle entrance along the street and return via the beach. During the walk, you'll pass the marina, a waterfront promenade, palm-lined streets, and beachfront views. Even if you're not planning to visit the castle, this area is worth exploring. When visiting a cruise port, what's most important to you? History, food, beaches, shopping, or simply finding the best views? Tell me in the comment section below. The easiest way to reach Santa Bárbara Castle is by using the elevator built into Mount Benecantillo. This saves a steep uphill climb and gets you to the top quickly. It also saves you the cost of taking a taxi to the top. Depending on ship schedules, there may be a line, so arriving earlier can save time. My recommendation is to go straight there in the morning as soon as you get off the cruise ship. The line will be shorter, and you'll have less people at the top than there will be later in the day. At the time of our cruise in October 2025, it cost €2.70 or about $3 US. The cost to enter the castle is free, so you can't get any better than that. Now, let's head to the top. You enter at the parade grounds across from the entrance to the Felipe II room, and behind it and up the hill are the ruins of the Hermitage of Santa Bárbara, the Guard Corps, and the Queen's Bastion. But first you need to climb the steep hill to get to them.
Okay, if you were coming to the castle in Alicante, after you get off the elevator, there's a long walk up.
An
incline. They are not steps. It will be very slippery if it's damp. Make certain you wear good shoes. Because seriously, it is a long walk up, and this is just after the first bit that we've done.
Wow, the views alone are worth the trip. From up here you can see the Mediterranean Sea, Alicante Harbor, Postiguet Beach, the city center, and your cruise ship docked at the port. This is one of those places where you immediately understand why it has become Alicante's most visited attraction. El Castillo de Santa Bárbara, or Santa Bárbara Castle, sits atop Mount Benecantillo and dates back more than 1,000 years. The site has been occupied since ancient times, but much of the fortress traces its origins to the Moorish period. Throughout history, the castle has served as a military stronghold, protecting Alicante and the surrounding coastline. Today, it's one of Spain's most impressive coastal fortresses. One thing I didn't expect was how large the castle actually is. There are multiple levels, courtyards, defensive walls, historic buildings, cannons, and observation points. You could easily spend 1 or 2 hours exploring everything. And around almost every corner, you'll find another incredible photo opportunity. Be prepared to climb some steep hills to get to the top, and stop to enjoy the views. My favorite photo locations include looking down on the harbor, views over Postiguet Beach, castle walls overlooking the Mediterranean, and wide shots showing the cruise ship below. If you're looking for somewhere with great photo ops, you'll have plenty of them here. So is it worth visiting? In my opinion, it absolutely is. The castle combines history, stunning views, easy access, affordable transportation, and a manageable time commitment. Most importantly, it can be done independently without a cruise shore excursion. This means more flexibility and potentially significant savings for you. Now for the downside. This area is not wheelchair friendly by a long shot. It also won't be easy to navigate with a stroller if you want to bring one for your small children, although we did see some strollers during our time there. So keep those things in mind if you're planning to visit. After exploring the castle, simply take the elevator back down and retrace your route to the shuttle pickup area. We decided to walk back along the beach and stop for lunch at one of the many beachside restaurants. Be sure to leave plenty of time to return to the ship. The last thing you want is watching your cruise ship sailing away without you. Santa Bárbara Castle turned out to be one of our favorite stops in Spain. The combination of history, views, and easy access from the cruise port makes it an excellent choice for cruise passengers exploring on their own. If this video helped you plan your visit, please give it a thumbs up, press the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos, and subscribe to the Empty Armchair for more cruise tips, port guides, ship tours, and travel adventures. And before you go, tell me in the comments, would Santa Bárbara Castle be at the top of your Alicante itinerary? Thanks for watching.